How you guys doing? Good morning. Hello, Lazy Dev. Hello, Ayhan. Hello, Iron Crusader. Thank you so much for subscribing. I appreciate it. Good morning, Stream Elements. What? Hello, chat. Moin. Chat. Guys. How much luck can you have? How much luck do you think is enough of luck in your lifetime? I think I have used up all my luck of this life and the next life. I'm so scared what's gonna happen in the future because I will have no luck. Like, there's no way I can recharge that. You won the lottery? No. So I almost lost my phone today and it would have been crushed. Almost. Essentially what happened was this morning today, and we were making Zoe ready for kindergarten. Kindergarten opened again finally. And my wife asked me to help her with Zoe and bring her to the car, which is the street down here. And I, in my infinite wisdom, decided to take my phone with me, which that's not my phone, but that's my work phone. I take my phone with me, you know, and carry Zoe on the other arm. So I have my phone in my left and Zoe on the other arm. And so we get to the car and I help put Zoe into the car. And I had the awesome idea that I would put my phone on top of the roof of the car while I put Zoe in the car. And then I got distracted by Zoe because she was kind of cute and stuff, you know, doing some crazy stuff. You know, I was having fun. And my wife took off with the car and the phone on the roof. And she didn't notice. And I didn't notice because I forgot. I had my phone there. What do you think happened, chat? What do you think happened? My wife brings Zoe to kindergarten. I didn't notice my phone was gone. I went here, started drawing this, you know, somewhat of a tile set for grass. And at some point I was like, where the fuck is my phone? Where did I put my phone? I went to the toilet, because sometimes I go to the toilet and retrieve it on the toilet. Like, nothing there. It's like, where did I put my phone? Did Zoe take it? And I searched the bathroom and the bedroom, everything. Nothing. And then I'm like, oh no. I had the phone on top of the car. And my wife went through the entire city to kindergarten.
Hello, Cakez.
Hello. She went from kindergarten back to the city again to meet her sister because she has birthday today. Went down into a parking garage, or into a parking, you know, big parking garage. And I called my wife and she's like, no, I don't have the phone. There's no phone. And then she went from within the city to the car, called me back. Yeah, your phone is still on top of the car. Bro, I was like, oh, I need to cancel my SIM card. I need to get a new phone. I need to set up another. I was like, oh my. And I just gave my phone number to the new landlord where I'm going to meet a flat, you know, to work there. And it just sits on top of the car. So, yeah, how much luck do I have left, chat? Am I dead? Is it over? Do I have to close it up and stop making games, trying anything? Because, like, I will not have any luck anymore. Like, my luck is... It has to run out. There is just no way that I get any luck ever again. No way. Right? So I'm screwed. It's crazy. That was multiple 20 dice rolls, yeah. It will recharge when you make the third game. Double or nothing. So I suppose the next game is going to be a dud. It's going to be a negative, guys. It has to be. If it's not a negative, then I will die after the game. 100%. Like, it's something like there's just no way. The copyright? Yeah, there's another copyright, guys. Another copyright. This song is copyrighted on YouTube now, guys. This song right here. This song right here. Evening in the Tavern. If I play this song, my video on YouTube will be demonetized because a Sony something group, some stupid YouTube channel, is saying that they own the copyright of this song right here. It's like some dog shit YouTube channel with like, I don't know, 500 subs. It's crazy. And you know, I disputed the claim. They now have 30 days to answer me, and YouTube does not read what I type them. YouTube does not even get involved. It's crazy. If I compare this with Steam, Steam was the intermediate that would act as a partner in the DMCA claim, and I could talk to Steam directly because Steam's the platform, and YouTube is like, nah, I don't care. You talk to them. Like, what do you mean I talk to them? How am I supposed to convince a scammer to stop scamming people? Yeah, hey, can you please stop scamming? Because I would like to use this song in my videos. It would be awesome. Thank you. Or you earn less money, but would be nice if you do that. Yeah, sure. It is Sony's copy. So only this song is Sony's copyright. And what about this song? Because I've been playing these songs for years. I've been playing these songs so much, people hate me. They tune into the stream and they write negative emotes and say same song again 10 million times because I keep playing them. And all of a sudden, I can't play this song anymore? How? Good morning, Pixels. How you doing, bro? How you doing? Hope you have a good day. Anyways. Thank you, Thetian. Thank you very much for subscribing. I appreciate it. Twitch Prime. I appreciate the support, bro. It was a viewer sick of playing the song. Yeah. He made a YouTube account. Same song,
Hope
same
you
song.
Have a good time, Cakez,
of course, same song. That's the point. I've been playing these songs. When did I make this playlist? Can I see this?
Just subscribe.
Can I see when the playlist was made? Bro, the playlist was made when I made this picture. This picture is 2 years old. Am I so out of touch?
No. Tithian, just subscribe.
I love Cakez.
Download demo button has an issue.
Game dev,
there should not be a download demo button.
And not a blabbering clown at all.
Cringe.
Thank you for following, Jerry. I appreciate it. Welcome. Big W's. And Iron Crusader, you too. And Johnny, you too. Thank you, guys. Can you check on GMR, Mr. Cakes? You could check on GMR. No, not trolling. So then that's new, though. That is new. So in Germany, this song is copyrighted. Is that how that works? Bro, let me check. I have some stuff open here. Yeah. Gotta be careful not to show stuff. One sec, guys. Okay. How's my game doing? My game's doing good, man. It is currently settling itself in between $500 and $700 a day, and between 30 and 40 to 50 players a day, which is awesome. Very happy about that. Very cool. That being said, however, let me quickly pin a message on YouTube. It's crazy though that... Oh shit. Wrong message. Whoops. Sorry about that. Good message. There you go.
Am I so out of touch?
Can I play your game? Yeah, I can play your game.
No.
So,
XTheocker1337 just subscribe.
yo, thank you. Thank you so for the support. I appreciate it, my man. Big W's. Mr. Joker, I thank you so much. Essentially, today I won't have much time, unfortunately, because of the stupid issue. And my wife's sister has birthday today. However, we're still going to make progress. And I have decided that we will try to finish this prototype of a game in 17 days. That is about 3 weeks. I'm gonna give myself 3 weeks so I have enough breathing room. And currently, at least off stream right now, I've been working on making a tile set. Or not? I'm working on the first tile, which is essentially an inspiration from Graveyard Keeper, where I basically want a let's do a grid. 192 by 192. One sec. That was the wrong grid setting. There you go. I want a 192 by 192 grid where I draw a lot of grass in. And then I use that grid in the game as the floor. And then I have a much easier time drawing the grid, which is much more efficient. And then the grid of the world where stuff is placed is much more fine-grained. Popular food to eat in Germany, Bratwurst, I suppose. Bratwurst, Kartoffeln. So yeah, unfortunately that phone stuff took a bit of time, but I think we can already test out this tile, even though it's not done yet. We could check it out in the game. And then see how we could draw that. Right, so instead of... Let's do that. That should give us a new tile here. So we should now have a grassy tile. That's the tile. And if I wanted to draw that, I could just draw the tile where the player is. Uh-oh. What happened? The game is drawing. Weird. Why is the pine tree wrong? No. What happened? Why is the pine tree white right now? It looks like there is an issue with the pine tree. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Let me check here. What did I do? Uh-oh. At least we have the assets back up. In case anything is wrong, but let me check the texture atlas. No, that looks correct to me. It packaged this correct as well. So the pine tree is here. It looks like it didn't reload the texture correctly, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, so for some reason it didn't reload the texture. Okay, well that sucks. Not sure why it didn't do that. Kinda annoying. You have the pine tree on the tile? No? Yeah, the pine tree is on the tile, but that's fine. I mean, that's just, I can remove it. I would love to understand. Okay, so now it works. Not sure why. Yeah, anyways. So, yeah, the sprite is obviously at the top now. But the cool thing is I can draw a ground sprite. Which is basically a stuff on the ground, which will now be behind everything. Good stuff. And I think, if I'm taking a look here, I think if I finish this tile, it can look pretty good. There's still a lot of stuff that I need to draw here. You could see that there's so much stuff I need to draw. But it's possible. Anyways, I still want to honor what I said yesterday. I'm gonna continue with the showcase and art first. And of course, this thing went up again. See, April 2026. Holy cow, we have so many messages in 2026. Oh god, it's like 100 messages. Damn, that looks good. That looks really good. There you go. Where did we leave off yesterday? Where's the music from that we're listening to? This is from a guy called Michael. He's been making a lot of covers of popular songs from the Game Boy, Zelda, stuff like that. Oi, Griesfrei, hello there, my man. Hey, Cakez, I wanted to do a game, but I'm too lazy to start playing games. What can I do? What you can do is work for 5 to 10 to 15 minutes a day and force yourself, and do it the first thing before you start playing games. Don't, like, make it the first thing you do before you play a game. So before you open a game, create this barrier of, I will first work on my game for 5 to 10 minutes. And it's not really important that you do a lot, but it is important that you do that step. So you create that barrier of work to, how do you say that? Not support, to not celebrate. What is it? What's the word called, chat? Reward. To reward yourself with, you reward yourself with playing a game after you have done some work on your game. So you create this reward and work structure where you could call it Die Arbeit kommt vor dem Vergnügen. Erst die Arbeit, dann das Vergnügen. Work first, then... I don't know how you say that in English, bro. Like, I'm not natively English. But you get what I mean, right? Small recommendations in units types. device type databases. If you specify the value of each entry manually, like item ring fix to 60 and 61, you can safely remove the types in the future without messing everything up, Cakes. I don't think that was the issue here, though. But I guess I gotta test. I want to test one more. Actually, you're right. It could be. Can I make a new sprite real quick? Let's do the Viking house. Hey, I clicked Control N for new. Let me see. Let me quickly check. If I make a Viking house, Viking base. Just quickly checking, chat. I'm not actually making the base right now. Okay, let me put this here. Wait, actually that doesn't even work. Well, obviously that won't work, but let's say that would be the base. By the way, you can do... I've never used this. Let's see how that works. I've never... Huh? Aha, okay. Hey? I don't get it. Like, how does this work? Aha! Okay, I get it. Okay, so we do this. This. Uh-huh. Let's test this one more time. Oh, by the way, guys, I have good news. It looks like I will be able to get the flat. Which is cool. Alright, let's say this right here is the Viking base. Then we export it. What happens? Okay. No, see, that works. It should work. And let's draw a Viking base. Well, the Viking base is behind the player, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, so there's the base. So it does work. It does work. Hey, Jinxie, how you doing, bro? No, we are not buying a flat. I'm not buying a flat. I'm renting one. For very cheap, actually. Less than 400 euros a month. Very good. It's a really good price. Like the cheapest that I could find, even the flat that I used to live in as a student is now 450. 450. And I'm paying 385. It's far from the city, well, a little bit, but it's perfect because right next to the flat is grocery stores. So if I go to the grocery stores, it literally takes me 2 minutes. I can go be in a grocery store in 2 minutes. And I'm renting it as a bureau, yeah. And the other cool thing about it is that from Zoe's kindergarten, because I will bring Zoe to kindergarten, from Zoe's kindergarten, it's going to be... Wait, how far is it away? Like 5 minutes driving from there. 5 minutes. from the kindergarten to the bureau. So it's perfect. And it's even better. Listen, guys, this will be my way to work. It's about 8 kilometers. I get the money, or I get some money back by driving to work as well. And it's perfect because Zoe's kindergarten is directly on top of the from where I have to go. It's directly. It's the difference between going directly to the flat and bringing Zoe to kindergarten is 1 kilometer. And I have to drive 8 to get there. It's really good. What do you mean by Bobby Car, brother? What you talking about? Anyways, yeah, that's gonna be the Viking base, but we'll change that later. Okay, so what I want to do today is first look at your games. I told you guys I will keep looking at it. Let's begin. So essentially, again, what this is we are looking at your games. You guys have been posting like crazy on Discord. We are currently looking at April 2025 by Nymph. It's gonna take a while for me to catch up to 2026, guys, but I appreciate everyone that's been posting here. And obviously, I want to help you guys out if there's something I could do to, you know, bring some attention to the games you guys have been making. And maybe some art or something else, you know, if someone made something cool. The Reticide said he didn't do something cool. I disagree. I think he's making some real cool stuff. But right now we're looking at Nymph, which he created a small game for the Game Jam, Global Game Jam in 2025. And he wanted feedback. Let's see, can we still give him feedback or is that too late? Let me check here. Bubble Store. That looks actually... looks kind of cute, gotta be honest. It's a cute little game. I wonder how he made the art. Looks really nice. Do you guys know how... is this vector art? Yeah? That looks really good. He seems to be very good with this. AI? It's not AI. Why? Why do you say it's AI? Listen, it can't be AI because it's too similar. The style is too... how do you say that? Consistent? Myogenics? Yeah, it's a little bit of myogenics, right? To be honest, for someone that has no audience, it looks like, there's quite a few comments. Nice. Delighted, but no one really wrote any feedback, any actual feedback. Leave your reviews or report any issues you encounter. Enjoy. Let's see, let's play this for 2 seconds. Let's see, it's made in Unity, okay. Hello? Unity? Are you loading? Hello? And I am the sun again. I cannot... Why am I the sun? Every day I am the sun. Stop making me into a sun camera. I'm tired of this. Stop! Hey! Where'd the music go? Guys, why am I the sun every day? Stop. Better? I need a new camera. Bro, I can't enjoy the music because of the camera issue. Stop. Anyways, let's pretend it doesn't exist. Settings. Full screen. Damn, that looks good. Play. Oh my god, it's a mobile game. Never mind, I can use WASD. What? Wait, I just created a desk. I wonder what made him decide to go with the noise filter on top of the art. What is this? I can hire a dude for 50 bucks. How much money do I have? I have 3 money? Uh-oh. I don't have any money. I can't do that. What did I just do? What the hell? Oh, I got gold. Wait, I just get money for free. Oh my god, I'm the sun! Why am I the sun? Guys, I want a new camera. Guys, I need a new camera. I need a new camera. Which one is good? Which camera is good? I have no idea. I've been color correcting this shit for years. I have no clue. I don't know what to do. I've been color correcting this stuff for years. I don't know what to do. Look, now the contrast is gone. But nothing changes. Brightness. I can turn that down. But it doesn't change. Look how bright I am still. It's super annoying. What do I do? Click apply. Guys, it doesn't change. Look, I'm blue. I'm white. I'm blue. I'm white. I'm blue. I'm white. I'm blue. Ah! Ah! Yeah, no, I can change the exposure, but look what happens. I'm blue. 1 sec. It doesn't work, chat. It doesn't work. I've been trying, look. Like, this camera has always been annoying. I don't know, it's been driving me crazy. It's been driving me crazy. It just does not work, chat. Sharpness, brightness. No, yeah, I did try brightness. It was, how much was it before? 160 or something? I put it down. But now, you can't see me at all. Which camera is it? Some Razer camera, Razer Kio or something. Like, this setting doesn't do anything because the exposure is automatically adjust. Oh god. There is no good setting, chat. Low light compensation. Doesn't do anything. I don't see a change. Looks good now? No. Manually turn down exposure, leave it off. So it's not auto-adjusting. Would that work? I have been doing that for years. But it seems like lately the camera... I did an update to the camera in the software. And it seems like that somehow broke it or something. Like, it's overly exposing my... Guys, I don't glow that much. I don't glow that much, okay? I just don't. Yeah, no, it's fine. You guys suggest stuff. Yeah, no, it's okay. I don't know. Maybe this is good. Now the camera's flickering. The camera is flickering. It's fine. It's fine. Fine, we don't get one. Let's enjoy the game. I apologize. Let's enjoy the game. You should put bubbles on the table. Oh, I see. Damn, this is cool. What the hell? Am I earning money now? What's going on? Am I actually earning money? Or are they eating? Oh, I see. I'm selling. Ooh, I'm earning money. Thank you. Nice, big money. You too? Thank you so much. Appreciate it. What is this? I'm more strongly? I'm stronger now? Ooh, I'm managing my shop. That's... Now I get it. Really cool. I do not have enough money. Okay. Okay, we need more bubbles, chat. Hurry up. There's more customers. Hey, welcome. Good morning. Hope you have a good day. These bubbles are for you. Yeah, there's more coming. Don't worry about it. Right on the way. Here we go. There you go. You can take them all if you want. Yes. I'll be right there. Okay, there's just one more customer I need to get to. 1 sec. Sorry about that. Oh, you got it already? Awesome. I'll be there right there. So don't have to wait long. Hello, welcome. Hope you have a good day. Thank you so much for buying stuff. Appreciate it. $9. Thank you. Good stuff. Are you buying 3 bubbles? Very good stuff. 12. Thank you so much. Wait, there's another bubble machine, but it's so far away. Why? Ooh, I got a cashier now. Did I? Ah, gold from the ground. What does that mean? I get more money? Hey, welcome everybody. Here you go. There's your bubbles. I don't know what you use them for, but you can certainly need more, I guess. There you go. I got them. Yes, just 1 second. Refilling the stocks. Making sure that each of these bubbles is the topmost quality. Very nice. Thank you so much. Thank you. Okay, so next time we got a bunch of customers coming in and one of those gold blocks drops down. We're going to be using that at the right moment when we get to selling. We have to make some of the customers wait, but it'll be worth it because we'll earn a lot of money. It's one of the typical tricks that you do. Okay, you're scanning. Good stuff. All right, so I'm going to expand our business. Very nice. Cookies. How can I get more cookies? What is this? 7. Oh, what is that? There you go. Okay, hello. So, earn more money. Thank you. Thank you so much for your business. Hope you have a wonderful day. Oh, there's more bubbles. Yeah, more bubbles incoming. Don't worry about it. Oh, I have someone actually working for me. Wonderful. So I don't have to do it myself anymore. So I can keep expanding the business. to earn more money. Oh, you want cookies? Oh, I'm so sorry. We don't have cookies yet. Let me see. Where are the cookies? Wait, that's 11. That's 10. Wait, I need to sell some stuff first. Sorry about that. Just 1 second, real quickly. Pretty sure you're gonna get... What is that? Is that them cookies? No? Oh, so you're waiting on a delivery. Yeah, just 1 second. Okay, 1 second. I'm so sorry. We are out of cookies right now. There are no cookies available. I don't know where we get them from. Looks like there's been some problems on the delivery end. Where the hell do I get the cookies, chat? Where's the cookies? Oh my god, the customers are going to get so angry. We need cookies. Uh-oh. No. Oh, there they are. Aha. 1 second. Here you go. There's your cookies. I'm so sorry for waiting, letting you wait. Why do I have a bubble right now? Do you want a bubble? There you go. Here's your cookie, sir. Coming right up. Amazing. Ooh, we need bottles. Where is the bottles? Oh, look at all of that cash. Thank you so much. That is my money. It's gonna be here, right? Awesome. So just a second. Just a second. Water is on the way. Don't worry about it. Yeah, no, I am on the way. Yeah, we're making water right now. Oh, I see. I need bubbles to make water, of course. Yeah, we're on the way already. Just a second. Uh-oh. What did this guy say? Wait, you're sleeping? Hey! Wake up! What are you doing? Here you go. I'm so sorry. I will get you more water in a second. Oh, and more cookies. What are you doing? Work! I'm getting no money because you... Guys, these employees suck. How is that even possible? Like, you would be fired in real life. What? Hold up, sir. Here's your water. Oh, you need 2 water. I'm so sorry. Yeah, I'm getting you guys the cookies. Work! There you go. Okay, so here you go. You get some cookies as well. We're gonna get some cooking. Here. 0 out of 2. Yikes. Oh, we're losing customers, guys. It's over. That's what happens when you have to do everything yourself. Look at all of these employees. Why are you walking? Do something. I can't even...
Am I so out of touch?
Oh, no.
No. Lunar Complex, just
thank you so much for
subscribe.
subscribing, Mr. Luna. Take them! Wait, no, there's the cookies are here. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. 1 second. 1 second. We are almost done. Here you go. I'm not earning money. Where's my money? There's so many people here, but I have no money. What is this? Oh, no. It's another useless employee. No. It was a waste of money. What is that? Oh, movement speed. All right. Lock in. 1 second. Water. We need water. Hurry up. Come on. There we go. 2 bottles. Here's your water. I'm so sorry for letting you wait. There you go. Okay, getting more water real quick. How long do I have left? 8 seconds. Okay, there you go. Amazing. Come on, give me more water. 1 more. Come on. 2 bottles. On my way. Yes, you get your water real quick. Here you go. Thanks for doing business. Oh, you want cookies? 1 second. Oh my god, the money. Oh, I love the pain. Oh my god, this guy's happy. Look at the money we have. Wait a second. Uh-oh, you guys want shakes. 1 second. Here you go. There's the shakes. We got some bubbles for you. Nice. Put that in here. Good stuff. Okay, got your first shake. Do we have another one? Very nice. Here you go. There's your shakes. Oh, you want 1 more? Here you go. There's 2 more shakes for you. Hope you have a good day. Thank you for joining. Thank you for buying stuff here. Yeah, the shakes are great. I can recommend them. There you go. Gonna make some more. Wait, what happened? Oh, no. Aha. Good stuff. Okay. Bro, that... Wait, water is here. We need cookies. Cookies. Come on. Here. Do your job. These guys are not waking up. What is this? Ooh, another one. Oh, no. You want bubbles. I'm so sorry. 1 second. Here you go. Oh, look at this. Guys, the cash is piling up. Here you go. Just one more bubble. You will be right there. My customer will... my employee will be right there for you. Just 1 second. See, there's more bubbles coming. Here you go. Very nice. So what is that? Oh, I can probably lift more with that. Here you go. Let's restock some of those bubbles. Nice. Get some more. Uh-oh. It looks like we also need to bring 2 water and 2 bubbles. Here you go. I'm gonna get you the 2 bubbles. There you go. It's already 2 bubbles. And then I'll give you the water real quickly, okay? 1 more. There you go. Nice. Put this here. Never mind. Actually, let's put this here. Come on. 1. 1 more. What is this? Let's build that. It's gotta be another employee. No, it's not. That's ice cream. All right. Busy day. There you go. Delivery order. Nice claim. Yes, of course. Oh, I see. I spawned. Collect some of the money. Ah, yes. Look at this. 300 bodies already. God, we're cooking. Oh my god. We can expand soon. We can open up a new store. We need better employees though, because these guys are freaking lazy. All they do is sleep. See, like, no one is on the machine here. And there's a bunch of guys. There's no cookies. And there's no smoothies. Bro. No one's working. Oh, no. This machine just broke. Bruh. And you are sleeping right next to customers? Wake up! Oh, I'm so sorry. Where's that? Where's the milk? Here you go. There you go. Oh my god, we are leaving customers on the table. No. 1 second, I'll be right there, okay? Just need to get some water. Oh, I could really need those boots right now. Really need those boots. Do something! You're just standing there! What am I paying you for? Bruh. Here you go, is your first water bottle. I'm so sorry for letting you wait. Wait, there's another one. There you go. What's that? Here? What's with you? Oh no, you angry? I'm so sorry. Oh my god, there's no cookies. Work. More. Good. Here you go. I'm so sorry for letting you wait. 1 more. Okay, you bring the cookies. Are you going to eat that? What are you doing? Oh my god, I have three employees that are sleeping. Do your job! Ha 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 ha. Look at the money. Stop! Work! Good. Yeah, cookie coming right up. Oh, we need 3 smoothies and 2. Holy cow, this game is difficult. I'm constantly running around. Bro, I can run a marathon when I'm done here. There you go. Oh my god, all of you want milk and no one is bringing the milk. The AI is super stupid, man. They just stand there. Look at this guy. No, I tossed this away. Oh, 1 sec. Here you go. Good stuff. Let's collect the money. I feel like I don't need more money. Oh no, customers are leaving stuff on the floor because they're unhappy. That's not good. That is too... Oh no, all of you want ice cream? Where's the ice cream coming from anyways? What the hell? It's too much. There's too many coming here. I have them smoothies. But where do I get them ice cream from? Am I blind? Oh, it's right here. I need milk. Oh my god, look at the cash. Hey. Come on. Move. Wake up. I'm so sorry. Give me 1 second. I forgot. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Oh no. I need cookies and milk just to make it work. Bro, that's impossible. Come on. Cookies. Give it your ice cream. Coming right up. I'm so sorry for the delay. Here's your first ice cream. There you go. You want two, bro? You're fat. You need to stop eating so much. What do you mean 2 ice cream? You're alone. Uh-oh. Here you go. Put them 2 here. The milk can go right here. And you wake up. What is that? Yes. Oh my god, yes. I can upgrade them. I forgot. I didn't think so. Hurry up. Oh no, wait, that's me. I run so much faster now. That's super cool. Real super cool. Come on. Here you go. There's your ice cream. And can you stop getting 2 ice cream? You are just way too fat. That's not good for you. That's not healthy in the long run. Oh my god, collect all the money. Give me all the money. Oh, yes. More milk. Oh no, we need more cookies. 1 second, coming right up. Just need to put the milk right here. Oh no, the machine is going. Oh, you 2 are sleeping. These guys do nothing. Okay. Oh no, we need water. Ooh, I can carry 5 now. Where's water? There you go. Right here. Come on. Oh, it consumes 2. That's not good. Here you go. Very nice. You want 2 ice creams? Bro, you gotta stop eating so much. Oh my god, look at the money. Thank you so much for your business. I appreciate that. All of you want ice cream. They all want ice cream. Hey, just a second, okay? 1 second. I'm almost done. Wait, I can't actually get stuff from here. 1 second. 30 seconds left. What do we need? 2 bottles. Yeah, you can. Nah, I'm sorry, I can't make that shipment. It's too busy. It's too much. Go somewhere else. There you go. Here's your smoothies. And the machine broke again. Let me fix it. And we got another lazy guy. Where are you? You stop. Here you go. Hey, how is that broken? Again. So another one sleeping. Stop sleeping. All right, hurry up. We need to put some stuff here. But that's looking... Oh no, what is this? Water. Here you go. Got you 1 water right up. What is that? Is that a cookie? Oh, the machine is broken too. Here you go. The only thing that is kind of annoying in the game that, you know, it breaks the flow a little bit is when you repair stuff. Oh no, you want some more stuff. Wait, I can... I didn't know that. Oh my god, I can upgrade all of this. This guy has made a really cool game, man. What do you want? 3 bubbles, 3 smoothie. Okay, coming right up. Just 1 second. Here's your 2 bottles already. Just gonna get a couple more. Here you go. Awesome. And you wake up! 1 second, just one. Yeah, I'm so sorry. My customers, my employees, they just don't care as much as I do. It's really difficult to find good stuff these days. That doesn't stop slipping! He's not gonna get paid today. I will keep his salary. He did not earn it. There you go. Here's one more water. 3 bubbles coming right up. And then I have 2 for you. Right here. Here's one of my customers dropped this. Hey! 1 second. Let me do that real quick. Get you the 2 bubbles. Or was it 3? It was actually 3 bubbles. Here you go. And we get 2 more smoothies for you. You get the money. I get the money. You get the stuff. There you... Oh my god, look at the cash. 1 second, I gotta collect the money. Oh, yes. Oh, I should have put a gold bar on top, shouldn't I? Nah, well, next time. Alright. Look at the smoothies that I have. Awesome. Here you go. 2 smoothies coming right up. Yes, the money. Thank you so much. All right, real quickly. Nia, you please help me. I don't know what they're doing. I guess. There you go. Collect some money. Nice. Ah, this is broken again. I'm so sorry. Here you go. There's your smoothies. You want the ice cream? Yeah, wait a second. Just 1 second real quick. I need to get some cookies. And no one is making cookies. Of course! Because these guys are sleeping. Alright, I'm gonna upgrade the cookie machine. I think scrolling is... Oh, I see. You scroll like that. Yeah, we're gonna upgrade this machine. Very nice. There you go. There's 4 more cookies. We can put them right here real quick. And then we get 4 ice cream. Very nice. Here, you get your ice cream. Here you go. Hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you very much for shopping here. Let me pick this up. There you go. Get some water. All right. Let's get a big patch here. How much can I pick up? Yeah. Coming right up. Just 1 second. That's all I can carry? Fine. Here you go. There's your smoothies. Very well. Thank you very much for buying. Appreciate it. Okay, so do we have a golden bar somewhere? Or you need water? Just 1 second. No one is bringing the water, of course. It's not like anyone needs water here, right? And I have a bunch of employees that do nothing. 1 second. Almost done. Got your 2 bottles coming up right here. There you go. Stop sleeping. There you go. Let's pick up some more. Good stuff. 1, 2, 3, 4. You just woke up. Stop sleeping. What is this? If this was real life, these guys would have been fired. Oh my god, we are running out of cookies too. I can't believe it. We just... Oh my god, look at the money. Hey! How dare you sleep right next to me, bro? Oh, we are losing so much money because the customers are unhappy. Oh no. How much money do we have?
Hello, Mr. Cakez. Bathroom count, please.
Uh-oh. Well, we won't be able to make the delivery. It is how it is. Unfortunate, but... What is this? What does that do? More bubbles? You know what I want to upgrade? My workers. Can I not upgrade my workers? That's me. Oh my god, we're losing. all of this precious money because no one is actually helping. I'm the only one that's helping. Here you go. Water. Where was water again? Right here. I'm so sorry. Just 1 second. Here you go. Get yourself the water. We need cookies. Just 1 second. I'm so sorry for letting you wait. These employees, they just don't work like they used to. I'm telling you, if this was 10 years ago, they wouldn't be able to get away with this. But you know, modern laws, they prohibit me from hitting my employees. So, like, I have to let them sleep. Yes. Oh, that's only 2. Yeah. I'm coming right up. Just 1 second. Here you go, is the cookies. Oh, now you need water. Great. And is anyone at the water machine? Of course not. Bruh. 1 second. There you go. Oh no, this guy's angry. I'm so sorry. Yeah, I'm working alone here. It's been a rough day. No one really helps me. Like, my employees just keep sleeping. Money! Oh, yeah. Very nice. Awesome. I think there's no end to this. Bro, this game is good. Really nice. Very good stuff. Very good stuff. All right, guys. I played way too long. They just sleep. Yeah, I want to upgrade them, but I can't. Very good game. Goodness. I played this way too long. That was a good game, man. The only feedback I have is help me make my employees stronger, because I can only upgrade the machines and the dudes. Oh, I already completed the first level. Wait. Thank you for playing our game. Very good game. Very nice. And then it repeats. Okay. Very good stuff. Yeah, if anyone wants to give him some feedback, I know it's a very long time ago and probably it's already over, right? And I really need to get rid of this site. It's making me mad. Building something simple to completion helps build confidence too. Tooling away for our years can take an emotional toll. True. Here you go. That's the game I just played. Celestial HIO. I didn't think I'd be spending this much time. Uh-oh. Okay. I didn't think I'd be spending this much time on this. I actually wanted to look at more stuff. But a really good game, bro. Mr. Nymph. Really nice game. Awesome. Yeah, I think that's good enough for now because I don't have much time today. So we'll be continuing with this tomorrow, okay? Ouch. Could use a scroll bar on upgrade list. Yeah, I mean you don't really need it because you kind of use the mouse to scroll, you know. Rim Gear, thank you very much for following. And Luna Complex, thank you very much for subscribing. And her parents alive, bro. I'm sorry, I missed the raid. Thank you very much for raiding, bro. Yeah, I'm 10 because I started running outside lately. I started going on runs to get fit again and to lose weight. Now, I haven't lost any weight yet. Yeah, didn't lose any weight yet, guys. Which I don't understand, because I don't know why that is. Let's drink a Dr. Pepper. Guys, that's my first Dr. Pepper today, okay? And it's only 6... It is only 6 grams of carbohydrates. Guys, it's the first soda today, okay? The first and only soda. Yeah? All right, so today I want to work on pixel art. I was thinking about what I could be coding in the game. And to be honest, I just really want to code the grassy, or to get the grassy tile set done so that we can create a vibe. And I would like to inform myself as well on the, let's see, GitHub. I think it was the Terraria clone that we made in J. Yeah. We had a Terraria clone J file. Somewhere in here I used noise to create the world. There was a noise function somewhere. Load audio file. Let me see. Play sound. Yeah, here, seed world. We need a seed. And then we do a Perlin 2D. Is that a function in J? Yeah, we used J like 3 years ago or two years ago for the first time. J, how did I get J? I got it from who's the J Rafael Luba. Rafael Luba, he used to stream a lot and we raided each other a couple of times, and he told me that I can contact him to get J. Is Perlin 2D a J function? Because that's what I used back then and that worked very well. It's Perlin noise. Perlin lib. Can we get the same Perlin lib C? Perlin noise, header only Perlin noise library. Which one is the best? This one here, is that good? Perlin header. Perlin noise library in C.
Clink, 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 clink.
Perlin noise. Perlin noise is a header only Perlin noise library for modern C++. So we kind of want this, do we? Do we just need the header or the C file too? Ah, Perlin noise 2D. Double persistence Octavius seed. Okay. So we need this. I think J is good. But I don't see a reason to use it over C or C++. Minus the setup. The setup for C and C++ is not that great. But everything else I actually enjoy a lot. And so I don't see J as being an improvement other than with the setup. But the downside of J is that you need to be kind of smart, in my opinion, to use it. I mean, there's the Discord, handmade Discord, I suppose. And I'm pretty sure there's other Discords as well where you can get support for J. But fact is that it's not widespread, and therefore finding solutions to problems is more difficult. However, I didn't have many issues with J so far. Other than the fact that I had to once implement a random function to get a random number. No, actually a rounding function. Yeah. I wanted to round, and there was no rounding function implemented at the time. But that was 2 years ago. So. Anyways, this is what we need. I don't know why I would need the header file if I can just get the C file. stdio and math. Why do I need stdio? Make file. I can just download this, can I? What makes my game different from other games? Let's download this. Put it in C source and call it C++. Yes. No license. There seems to be no license. At least the GitHub repository does not say any license here. I don't know, it's public, so if this sucks, then we use something else. I don't know. Well, the idea behind my game is that I want to create a survival feel, but I want it to be somewhat simple, like the game we played yesterday. And I want it to be an incremental experience where you can kind of relax when playing this game. That's the idea. I really just like building games. How do you manage to keep compile time short? I use what is called a Unity build. I compile everything as one file. So for example, the game CPP file is the only file that I compile, and I include everything in the game CPP file. And there, that makes it compile really quickly. Right now it's 0.7 seconds to get an update. No, I will turn the trees invisible. Transparent if the player is behind them. Anyways, so I don't want to do noise right now because I think it'll be too stressful. So I will most likely just work on this. Relax a little bit and draw more leaves. That's what I've been doing all day, actually. And this is also gonna take a while longer, cause yeah, it just takes a while to draw a lot of grass. But that is needed. In order to have a good looking game. I could also just, you know, make a sketch and we could immediately code, but I feel like I want to follow, what is it called? I want to both at the same time have a good looking game and not have to go back later and then finish the visual style, so to say. This is essentially also how I keep my interest and fun in making games, by working on different things and not doing one thing all the time. Just constantly making, having different tasks to work on is both freeing and also exciting, at least for me. Because it never really gets boring. Yeah, for this game, I'm using SDL2, actually SDL3, and OpenGL for the web, and I will be using a DirectX renderer. All right, so essentially what I'm doing right now is I'm building grass very, very slowly, and I have to fill in this entire blue quad with different grass pieces while making it look like a continuous tile, so that whenever I place hundreds of tiles next to each other, it doesn't really look like it's repeating. Can you do non-pixel art? I could learn it, but no, I don't want to. I want to do pixel art. Oh my god, that was laggy. Just lagged. I don't know why it lags when I zoom out. The leaves will make it look like it's repeating. Yes, but I will turn the leaves. I will make the leaves less apparent, essentially by removing the contrast between the colors. So right now there's a lot of contrast, which allows me to, you know, work a lot easier. But once I am mostly done, I will be able to... I will remove some of the contrast by yeah, just removing it. That is not the color that I wanted to have. There you go. Okay, that's nice. Have you tried Pixie Editor? No, I have not. At this point, I think Asprite is going to be always going to be my #1. I don't think there's any other pixel art tool that makes me want to try it out. Because so far, Asprite, it is very rare for me to love an application so much that I never really want to change it. It is super rare, and Asprite has been that guy, if that makes sense. Asprite has just been so awesome. And so I don't really see a reason to change it, to not use it. Excuse me. Nah, I think it lags because I have quite a bit of stuff on also the texture atlas here. I think that's the reason why it lags, actually. So it's fine because it doesn't really stop the process. I just don't zoom out as much, it's fine. Certainly not perfect application, but it's really good. That doesn't look good. Okay, so what I'm doing right now is I'm trying to create little grass blades almost everywhere in here. To give it the impression of grass. And that is a lot of work. Because essentially each grass blade almost has to be drawn by hand. However, when it's done, it'll look somewhat nice. It'll look actually quite nice. You can see here how there's a little grass right here. And yeah, I have to continue this entire thing. I feel like I am 20% done. Hey, Jonathan Smith, how you doing? Thanks for asking. Hope you're doing good too, man. And thanks again still for your support on Ko-fi. Rebel Wolves, what are these guys working on? Blood of Dawnwalker. Should we check it out real quick? Let's see. Blood of Dawnwalker. Oh, damn. Man, the first image already, I love that. Pre-purchase $70. Why 70 though? Damn, I love that look though. Bruh. That looks nice. That is Geralt! With black hair! What engine is this? Is this their own engine or Unreal? They literally made... This is Geralt, bro. Could they have used any other haircut? Sorry. Are these vampires? Why do they have blood on their mouth? Yikes. Damn, that looks cool. Einstufung ausstehend, okay. Oh, that's even in German. This is Jon Snow? This could be. Of course they don't have a demo, because these, you see, listen, for every developer on Steam, the demo, if you're an indie developer, is your most important tool. That together with Steam Next Fest. But for these guys, they don't need a demo. Demo for these guys? They have 70,000 followers anyways. That is less than a year. That is less than a year. When's the game coming out? Pre-purchase September 3. Yeah, I'm not paying 70. Wait, maybe I can ask them for a key. So, hello, Cakez77 streamer, YouTuber here. Can I get a key, to test out your game? I could make a video and stuff. I could stream the game, to people and stuff. Can I get a key, please? Please. Damn, no, it wasn't. It's not Enix game. Clip and send it to them, yeah. Rebel Wolves, that's crazy. See, developer Rebel Wolves, okay. They have a publisher, Bandai Namco. Oh, I see. They have this, since it's coming up, it's their biggest game. 1 million followers? Hey, Mr. D-Boy, how you doing? Good day to you. Crazy. Bro, that's actually crazy. And the game is in Unreal Engine. I mean, you can tell. I mean, if it runs well, I guess it's fine. Palworld ran okay too. But it's Palworld, it's not Witcher. Man, I really like the art style here. This is typical medieval stuff, bro. That's awesome. What is the time setting for this game? Is this typical medieval? I'm gonna wishlist this. Actually. Bro, 70,000 followers. That is crazy. Coming September 3. Yeah, I'm not pre-purchasing this shit. Nah, I want a key. I'll ask them for a key or something. Bruh. Yeah, I want to try that. I really enjoyed Witcher 3. And I can't tell which team is responsible for the good parts in Witcher and which one is not. If the team... Now, looking at this image, I think that Rebel Wolves was responsible for the good parts. However, you also have to say that after the tragic launch of Cyberpunk 77, the game got so much better. So they... Wait, is Cyberpunk 77 no longer on Steam? Huh? What? Cyberpunk 77 on Steam. Huh? Oh, I see. It doesn't show up for me? Oh, it does. Yeah, so the game got so much better. Look, I mean... Nah, it did get better. Yeah, it did. If you're looking at the low points of 17,000 players, they definitely recovered. Nah, they did. 50,000. Yeah, no, they're doing good. As a game dev, you can give some insight on the pre-bought re-release of DRX11, why it was so bad. I haven't played the game, I can't say. I can't tell you. I would have to play the game to get an idea of why it was so bad. I don't want to make any assumptions or look at it from the outside. Because I'd just be talking bullshit. Looking good. Looking really nice. The Witcher status. That can only mean one thing. It's time. Thank you! Witcher 3 Valentine Songs of the Past. Brand new expansion Witcher 3. Guys, I'm done. It just keeps leaking me. It's like, I'm not reading this right now. One sec. I need to log into my X account on the other browser too. Let me write that down, always, or I forget. Also, I think I fixed the TikTok session ID, but TTS is still broken. Log in X on Edge. There you go. This brand new expansion Witcher 3 will take you May 27. It's being co-developed with full experience coming to PC. Stay tuned. Okay. That's cool. That's really cool. Good to know. Thank you. I mean, but I have to say, Rebel Wolves are looking good. Very good. Let's hope that they can also live up to the hype. So usually that is difficult to do. Haven't been on it for more than a month. As soon as I could. Best dev streamer. Thank you. I appreciate it, bro. Thank you. Wow, what a nice person. Thank you very much, man. Yeah, today, guys, today we will be dealing with pixel art. And I think that's gonna be it that we're gonna do on the game. This, once I have finished this, even if the game does not do well, I'll be able to use this in other games. Right, so this will not be a waste of time. It will most likely be something very good for the future. So I don't really feel bad spending time on this. Even if the game will not do well, because we can certainly use it in other stuff. There you go, that looks nice. And we're already quite far. I think I can do one more of these. Somewhere here. Put some stuff here. Mr. Farmboy, he already has it wishlisted. Bum, 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 bum. Alright, get some darker green here for some of the shadows. Go. That looks nice. Very good stuff. We already have some good stuff going on here. I think I can continue a bit with this. And by the way, the reason why I'm making this so, let's call it complex, so many pixels to draw this. We are not making Stardew Valley 2, but I'm using the same lighting system as in Stardew Valley 2. And the more complex the sprite is, the better the lighting looks. You can see here that on a very flat surface where there's no pixel, there's not much pixel noise, the lighting does not look as great because the lighting works as a mask. The more different the color is, the more the mask affects the color. And therefore the trees look very well lit, almost like a 3D effect, because they have so many different colors in them, so many different pixels. And if I create a ground piece that is of similar detail, then the lighting will look really good on the ground without me having to do much work. Other than obviously drawing this piece right here, which you could say this will take me 4 hours to complete. However, that will be the majority of the work that I use. And then I'll show you a trick maybe tomorrow where I can take this when it's complete and I can create different tiles by stamping out parts of this image and creating an underlying dirt tile that slowly reveals itself on different things. Hello, Ramis. Yeah, the demo on June 12th. The way this is gonna work, guys, it will not be an itch.io demo. Just letting you know. Because I want to use itch.io. Let's say it like this. The game will be on itch.io if it does well. If it doesn't, then I will put it somewhere else. Then I will... No, how do I say that? The game will be on itch.io if it does well with you guys. But I will put it on Steam first. If that makes sense. Actually, I feel like I should put a plant here. Because I want to utilize the itch.io visibility that you get by making a game on itch. And I can only do that once. I've been reading up a lot on itch.io and how the visibility works there. And unfortunately, games that are newly uploaded to itch get visibility once and then it fizzles out. And so if I want to get good visibility for my game, then I need Steam open. I need to have a Steam page running already. Because the moment I put it up on itch and it will get views on itch, I want to funnel the people from itch to Steam immediately. And so once June 12th comes along and this game is ready to be played, you guys will be able to play, then I will probably do some sort of private playtest with you guys. I'm not reading that message, Utah, on YouTube. Okay. Okay. Oops, that was laggy. Alright, I think I also have... Wait, that's already the darkest. Let's make it a tiny bit darker here. Okay, that's a bit better. Right, nice. I actually don't like that too much. That's better. Feel. That's better. Okay, much better. Hello, Morax on YouTube. How you doing? Yeah, I defined what kind of game I'm gonna make. It's in a couple of streams ago. You could check the VOD if you want to. I'm trying to create tall, dark grass. But it's not working very well, guys. Actually, I guess it's starting to work. It's not that simple, lol. Well, I'll be here for a while. That's gonna be taking a while, chat. Holy. But I knew what I was signing up for when I started this. It is somewhat like Stardew Valley grass, but a little bit more variation in the grass types. Starting to look better. Are we painting the whole map? No, we are creating a tile here. 192 by 192. One that infinitely repeats. And once that's done, I just need this one tile. And then what I will do is I will stamp out parts of the tile to create a tile set where grass can go to grass turns into dirt. But I will start with grass only. So yeah, no, I listen, I have learned from my mistakes in the past. Okay. I will not be doing the same crap that I did multiple years ago. Nah. Don't worry about it, bro. Like, we did those mistakes in the past. It's all good. Wouldn't you do grass only and place trees and plants on top procedurally? Yes. The tree, for example, the tree will, instead of the shadow, can actually take the shadow away. What the tree will look like is essentially a tile. Can already do that, I guess, and reuse some of the stuff. That's gonna be a bit more difficult to do though. But we'll get there. We'll get there. And I kind of need a layer on top of the tree, so that the grass can also go in there.
You are stupid. You know what? I will ban you.
You are stupid, my brother. Oh, I mean, that's already somewhat nice. Yeah, I mean, I kind of have to build the entire grass first. Let's just continue. I wonder how far I'll get. If I get, let's say, half done today, then I'll do the other half tomorrow. I hate the hot weather. It's bad. Yes, I agree. But you know what's cool about the weather? The sun, bro. Sun is the big W. Because without the sun, you wouldn't get sun and any melatonin. No, it's not called melatonin. Is it called melatonin? What do you get in your skin when you go outside, chat? The important stuff. What was that? Vitamin D? Yeah, but there's also something else. Something that makes you happy. It's something else entirely too. Without the sun, you won't get sun. Yes. Dopamine? Is it dopamine? I don't think it's dopamine. It's something that lifts your mood. But it's not dopamine, guys. It's something else. Serotonin? Could be. Heroin? Yeah. That's it.
Your welcome message is empty, Peepo sad.
Man, this is so much difficult. Here is also a bit odd, because all of a sudden this turns into a different type of grass. There you go. Still. Okay, I think it's starting to look better. Getting there. I feel like this part right here, maybe apart from the plant, starting to look really nice. Because I know that the plant is here. Here's supposed to be darker. And then we can use those to create some other looking leaves. Here too, so what is that supposed to be? That makes no sense. Same for this. We can use some brighter colors. There you go. Nah, that doesn't work. Okay, that looks a bit better. Very nice. I feel like I want to do the same here. Nice. Oh, we keep that. Good stuff. Sunlight acts as a natural mood booster by triggering the brain to release serotonin, a natural neurotransmitter that promotes calmness, focus, and happiness. See, like, guys, I always feel a lot better during the summer. I guarantee you it's because of that. That's why, even though the summer is hot, and you're right, and I hate sleeping, because especially when you sleep, it is so freaking hot, you can't concentrate. You can't get an eye shut because you keep sweating while you're sleeping. It's still awesome. Summer is the best time, chat. Winter is good too, but summer is better in my opinion. Spring is way better. You could make an argument for spring because in spring it's not that hot. True. Oh man, that's gonna take a while. Oh my god, this is going to take a while, bro. How much do I have? I've got quite a few plants. My goodness. Oh. But the grass is taking a long time, man. Goodness. It's fine. It's fine. We're getting there. Would be faster to write a program? Are you sure? I don't think so. I think it would look bad if you do that. Look at this, guys. We're getting there. Starting to look really nice. Oh my god! I am drawing grass, yes! Do you know how much time I spent on my first game? Drawing different types of grass? This is why you don't become rich, bro. This is why you don't become rich and you start drawing grass. Yeah, of course I draw grass. Of course. I think the grass looks good. I think you're just jealous. That's what you are. At least it looks good. Thank you. Thank you. I appreciate that. Yeah, I agree. It does look good at the moment. At the moment. I think what I need to do is just take this part here. Then use... I think that's the brighter part. Listen, okay, I'll be done with this tomorrow. I will do this all night. All evening tonight. And then I have a new grass tile set. Okay. It should not take too long. You made the editor yourself? Which one? This one here? This is a sprite. That's not mine. I didn't make this, no. There you go. How does it look? Is that too much? I feel like I'm making too many tall plants. I need to alternate a lot more with just this. Just a lot of straight lines. Hey, who am I? How you doing, man? How's your game coming along? You like the pixel art? Thank you, man. What a nice person. Thank you. Glad you like it. I'm trying to, you know, it's not gonna be Stardew Valley grass, but definitely inspired by Stardew Valley. I've drawn this grass before. Basically, the idea is that's a leaf, that's a leaf, that can be a leaf. And then, like, it's always the same shapes. You just sprinkle those shapes everywhere. And then once you have the shapes done, then you create shadows. Because right now there's no shadow here. So now I have to go and I start adding shadows in the grass. And stuff like that. I have never been not nice. Okay, thank you. I will keep that in mind. Yo, Cakez, can you say hi to me? Hello there, Sylvie. Hello there, Cram. How you doing, bro? I'm doing good. How about you? Aren't like 99 out of 100 new indie games either cozy games or roguelites? We have a lot of incremental games lately. People have figured out that incremental games sell a lot, and now everyone and their mother is making one. And I'm making one too. Whew, man. Okay, let's continue. Get there. The thing with this type of pixel art is it takes a long time, and the immediate progress is not that visible. But if you spend enough time, then you will see results. And once it's done, it will look really good. I'm also making an incremental, except it's also a long-term idle game, which seems to be more rare recently. Well, I wish you good luck, bro. So, who am I? How's your game coming along? Do you make a game for success only? I make a game I want to play, and I make a game now that I think people will want to play because I still need to earn money, yes. Both ways, both things. Though I make games because I want to make games. Let me tell you something, okay? If you don't actually want to do something, then when it gets hard and there's almost no money on the table, you will quit. I have spent 4 years making the same game because I wanted to make the game. And lately I realized that again, that's actually what I want to do. Because I now have money. And if I wanted to, I could just chill for a while. But I was trying to play games. I played PoE for like a week. What, a week and a half. But I tried to play other games, and I do play a map of They Are Billions every once in a while, I guess. But I still can't really fully play games all the time, because it just does not feel, let's not say right, but it does not feel like I'm spending my time well, if that makes sense. I think I've gotten to a point where I want to do something, and I guess my stream is also a big telling point. I could just sit here and stream playing games right now. Right? We boot up, I don't know, what's a popular game right now? We boot up popular game X, and we just play it all day. And it would be a lot easier for me to just make gaming content. Over time, I mean, in the beginning it would be bad because people follow me at the moment for Gamedev. But it would work out at some point. People would follow me for playing games at some point too. But that's just not something I want to I want to spend my time on. So for example, if I make a YouTube video, I want to make YouTube videos where I play games, yes. But I mostly want to make YouTube videos that are also helping others make games, or that are related to game development and gaming in general. So I just want to make games, I guess the short answer is. For me it is important to, and the value is, in my opinion, not there on YouTube too much. Jonas Tyrola, in my opinion, is doing a really good job with you know, trying to get people into game dev and giving hints and advice. And I think his advice is some of the best out there. When it comes to game dev advice, you should follow what he says, guys. He's doing a really good job. But there's not too much else, unfortunately. And I think it's very important because games are just, yeah, I mean, who of you didn't have a game they wanted to change because they didn't like certain mechanics in it that made the game not enjoyable to play? Pretty sure many of you have. And when you can make your own games, yes, I want to make a game that people pay money for and does well. I want to make a game in the future that hopefully earns more than $1 million. If I'm being
Am I so
completely
out of
honest.
touch?
Right?
No.
Skarsh just subscribed.
Can I predict that that's what will happen? No. Do I work towards that? Yes. Obviously. But it's more so the fact that I actually want to make those games. Right? I'm hoping that if I make the Gothic clone, my game dev skills will have grown to a point where I can make a game that captures a large enough audience of multiple thousands of people. I hope so. Skarsh, thank you so much for subscribing. I appreciate it. And Dol Vibe, thank you so much for following. Welcome, brother. So yeah, that's what I want to do. And but game development, listen, at the end of the day, you are selling a game to gamers. And your job as a developer is to earn money and to make a good game. And you earn money by making a good game. So I'm making a game that I want to play, but I'm also deciding on the genre and the type of game based on what I have seen work, and I replicate that with my own interests in mind. So for example, I'm not sitting here and I'm making a shooter game because I don't like shooter games. Like if I wanted to make Counter-Strike because Counter-Strike has a lot of players, then I would fail because I don't enjoy Counter-Strike. But I enjoy games like They Are Billions, base defense build games. I heavily enjoyed what you call it. I enjoyed, what is it called? What's it called? Warcraft 3 a lot. They Are Billions. Yeah, They Are Billions was amazing. And these types of games is something that I want to make too, because I would always like to change a certain thing about them. So yeah, I make games for myself, but games that sell. Or that have proven to sell. So for example, here's another good example of something I learned recently. And let me think. I remember that I learned that, but I forgot what type of game it was. It was... Oh, Getting Over It, for example. Getting Over It was a phenomenon when it came out. Because it was never done before in that way. Well, Getting Over It, guess what? That game already existed before. That's a copy of another game. The guy didn't invent this game. He just took another game and copied it. Literally, listen, look. This tree is the same tree as in Getting Over It. He literally took the same tree. Okay? And that, like, the more I see these examples, and with Minecraft too, right? The guy that made Minecraft, he took someone else's game and made it better. And why did they do that? Well, because these guys knew that this type of concept will work. That's why they made these games. They made these games because they loved making them. It's not really so much that, oh, I'm just gonna make this game, gonna make an MMO, and I'm gonna earn a bunch of money. That's not the same sentiment as, oh, I'm gonna make this game, I know it'll work, but I want to make this game. These are two separate things. You know what I mean? So yeah, essentially that's why I'm making my game, or this game here. Wait, do I actually have this color anywhere? Is that the darkest color? That's the darkest color, okay. I feel that many follow the first at times, hence the trend hopping we see. No, many do that, yes. Many just try, or let me make a game that will earn me a lot of money. And this is also why oftentimes investments don't work out very well. Because these guys don't know what they're doing. They don't understand why. And then they might hire the wrong people for the job too. I really don't like that. Grass, let's keep that for now. But yeah. You also, though, need to make a game that, even though when you set out to make a game that, let's say, you want to play, you need to make a game that others want to play too. There needs to be enough appeal. If there's not really something that sucks players in, I guess, then you will most likely be disappointed. I was disappointed for the majority of my game's journey. Because I spent so much time trying to market the game, I streamed every day, tried everything, and the end result was not what I hoped for a long time. Now it's better, yes, but for the longest time, the result was no wish lists, no players, no one making videos, nothing. And that was really difficult to deal with. Have you considered using a smaller color palette? Oh, I'm already using a smaller color palette, but I'm basically just using some colors right now. I didn't even decide on the color palette yet. I'm just trying to make it look decent, because I know I will most likely be changing some of the colors. Right. Okay. Okay, getting better. Very nice. Right now, let's see if I get rid of this. I'm trying to create a patch for the tree that I can move into a different position, and it will still look good, so that I can put the tree in there. But right now I'm not there yet. That'll take a bit longer. What's your advice for someone that just started his game dev journey? And you haven't started on a game yet? Well, my biggest advice would be to pick a game that you enjoy and try to make that game. As your first game, I would literally just copy another game, but simpler. I wouldn't even change anything. So, copy Tangy. No, I wouldn't copy Tangy TD. There's not much to learn there. I guess the item system of Tangy TD, that's something you can learn from. That's for sure. But I would take a game that you already like, and I would copy that. Just to have at least one game done. And I would write down what you need to do exactly to make that happen. Since you played the game, you know what you need to implement. In a case of Vampire Survivors, you know that you will need to implement a character that moves around. So, that's one of the first things you can start working on. I think I did some stuff here. Let me see here. Okay, that's all I have at the moment. That's good enough. Okay. I would use ChatGPT. Yeah. Let's see what the grassy tile looks like in the game, if I draw that again. Man, it's starting to look really good. It is starting to get there for sure. Perfect. It'll take some more time to draw this, but once I have this tile, you guys need to realize I will only need this one tile for the grass, and then I infinitely repeat it for the first version. So I spent 4 hours on the ground, and then I can move on. I can do something else. Nice! Some good W's today, guys. Though I unfortunately have to leave already because my wife's sister has birthday today and it's already 5 p.m. So I kind of need to join them. I almost lost my putte in English today. Almost lost my whatever putte is. Why do I forget these words, chat? Why do I forget this? Where you put your money. Wallet, yeah. I'm raiding TCAP today. I think I raided Jackie yesterday, didn't I? Anyways, guys. Thank you very much for joining. Hope you have a wonderful day. I will see you all tomorrow. Tschüss. Bye-bye. On YouTube, thank you so much for joining. See you tomorrow. Hopefully the grass is done tomorrow. Then we can implement Perlin noise.